He was giving me some kind of hand signal. I'm not sure what it meant. So many unknowns. And he's like, no, there's not any unknowns. You know what's going to happen. Oh, no, it doesn't close the hole off. This is just shenanigans. Hey, y'all. Today is cattle working day. Alright, well, we have these girls in. There must be somebody still waiting because, oh, there Dakota comes. He was giving me some kind of hand signal. I'm not sure what it meant. Oh, I couldn't video any of that because they were actually ready and waiting for us up there at the top. So, it was all very quick, and I always get real nervous. I told Dakota, it's like the fear of the unknown. Like, once we're in the process of working cows and everything else, I'm good. It's just, I don't know. There's so many unknowns. And he's like, no, there's not any unknowns. You know what's going to happen. I'm like, no, there's a lot of things that could happen. Good and bad. And while she's turned, you can't really see it here, but well, you can now. Miss Beth has this, what we're assuming is an abscess. Dakota has tried to feel it while she's in the field, and he says it feels pretty squishy. But while we have her up today, which is, we're actually working these a little sooner than we were going to, but it's because of this situation. Dakota talked to the vet yesterday, and so we're just gonna get her up, and we're gonna try to draw some pus out of it, make sure it is liquidy, and then if it is, we're gonna cut a hole in it. He said at least the size of your fingertip so it can drain out really well, and then rinse it with some hydrogen peroxide, and he said she should be okay. We're also going to treat her with some antibiotics to help clear that up. Not sure what's going on there, but I do have some bad news to report. So this is Beth. That was a heifer last year that did not breed, but I was kind of, let me flip this around. So anyways, that's Beth, and I was hopeful. She didn't breed last year, but I convinced Dakota that we should keep her another year because I thought it was just a fluke, that there was a reason she didn't breed. But, so we kept her another year, and she didn't breed again this year. So, I hate it. She's a beautiful cow. She has good bloodline, mom and dad. I don't know what the issue is, but she won't breed, so we can't keep her. We have little man with us today. Okay, Stetsy, stand still.
I'll pretend I'm a bee in a bee nest, so the cows will not see me.
Okay.
With the bee nest.
Just stand still, okay?
They'll think there's a bee.
It's like, oh, just let me.
They'll think there's a bee in there. Okay? If I make the bee sound,
No, don't make the bee sound.
I'll do it quietly.
Quietly. Houston, you can't go yet, babe.
See, that's the kind I'll do. Is this quietly?
It's right there, though.
All right, so here's, wow. Oh God. If it is fluid or pus filled. No? Okay, yeah. Huh. So he said to drain as much as you can out and then open it, or, okay, let's see. Still tight. Sorry, girl, we're trying to provide you something. I know it hurts. Huh. That's interesting. Okay. I'm not even sure what would have caused that. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. Oh no, it's bubbly. I thought it was pus. That's so interesting. I figured it would be more milky than that, but
Bloody.
yeah.
I don't know. It's not really what I was hoping for.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't feel any looser, does it?
Oh, well, this is her hip. So you can't, it's her hip's got it all.
Yeah, so it, okay. Oh yeah, well it's really soft right there.
Mm-hmm.
Feel it right there. Oh, now it doesn't close the hole off. So
Let's touch you. How does blocked medicine?
Because it just goes right underneath the skin.
Oh.
Stetson, quit messing.
Go.
Seeing what temperature it says.
Go, Rick. Go. Go, Rick, go. Go, Rick, go.
Here, Reba. Try it again. Try it again. Oh. How you doing today, Miss Reba? You good?
Don't touch it. Can't. Tag good.
I mean, it's a little dirty, but it's good.
Feels softer than that.
Hey, babe. You ready to go eat some grapes? Okay, here. I'm gonna pull that baby. Go back. We'll go for it. Oh. Woo! My goodness. Alrighty, all the cows are done here. We're loading Houston up to take him to our house to be with our ladies. He's excited. He even helped us fake out a cow over here, so it's kind of funny. So I was gonna go through what we gave them. Stetson brought me some flowers. How sweet. So we do the Ultra Boss, which is for ticks and flies. We do 7-way, and it's for a whole bunch of things. And this is the one, it's 7-way with pink eye. We do that. And then this is for, can't think of the name of it, but it's for the respiratory infection. So it's just for our mama cows. The calves don't get it. But it's for, so when the mama is pregnant with a baby, it doesn't get a respiratory infection and pass away before birth or shortly after birth. And then this is just wormer. pour-on wormer. So we have 2 pour-ons and 2 injections. And then also Dakota cuts, well, he trims their tail so they don't get all mangled up and nasty. So anyways, let me pan you around so you can see all the happy girls in the field. Alrighty, so they are out there enjoying some nice tall luscious grass. That's our new lot that we fixed this winter. So before we leave up here, we will shut this gate back and then we'll open our new gate we put up so then they can just graze and then leave as they please. So at least everything went pretty well here. So on Beth's cyst, we were hoping, which I know cyst can be fluid filled or pus filled, but I think we were hoping more for like a pus filled and we would cut it open and let it drain out. But when we, like as you've seen on the video, when we pulled back, it was just like red fluid, which that might be normal, I don't know. But we just drained it as much as we could. I bled it out as much as I could. We put some hydrogen peroxide on it where we had the puncture holes. And then we also put some iodine on those holes as well. And then we gave her a dose of LA-200. And we're just going to wait and see. So if it doesn't change, I think we'll just have the vet come out here and do what he thinks is best. We just didn't feel confident enough to make the call to cut it open. So we'll just have to wait and see. Always like they're gonna fight. Hazel is like, who is this? We'll get to see these ladies in just a little bit. We're gonna go eat some lunch, take a little break, and then we're gonna come back and work these ladies. All right, so we are here for round 2. Oh, as always. Even though our girls here at the house, like they're, you know, used to this, we still usually have 1 or 2 that don't want to come in a lot. We thankfully have all the cows up right now, and we've got all but 1 calf, which there is a couple calves in here. So Dakota's trying to figure out a plan for that 1 calf that's up there, but and there is absolutely no way. Oh wait, here coming in. That I can video any of this. This is just shenanigans. Okay.
You got everything ready?
Mm-hmm. Are we putting on any tags here?
2. The 2 that I made.
Calves come, you'll need to move because I need to be right there to put their stuff on them, okay?
Well, I want to do it.
It's hard. Mommy's hands already wore out. It's hard to do. Now it is calf time. Didn't get the video much because it's always a little chaotic, but calves done, we'll be done.
Patty calf right here, last one is born.
Oh, it's pretty. All right.
I don't know, I didn't see the number.
All right, the head gate goes up for another season. We'll be back in 2 o'clock. Did you have fun? What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part?
The cows that don't take the big shots.
The cows that don't take the big shots? I'm not quite sure what that means. You mean like giving the cows shots? Is that what you mean? Okay. And cutting their tails? You like watching Daddy cut their tails?
It makes me like that's their end of their tail,
Yeah.
but it's not.
Yeah. We give them a haircut. Trim. Stand right there, baby. No, stay right there.
Come on, girls. Come on, girls, let's go. Come on, let's go.